Hello everyone! This vlog is not the typical video that you have watched from the past, but this is all about my cancer life story. Before I start with, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you will be notified to our new videos. I created this vlog to spread awareness, to inspire and motivate especially those people who are battling cancer. I am a breast cancer patient diagnosed stage 4 way back 2019, and I'm also battling cancer for almost 2 years now. I know you have so many questions, but to start with, how I was diagnosed breast cancer. I noticed a small lump on my left breast, this side, and what I thought it would be disappear if I had my monthly stop or monthly period. Unfortunately, it's not. Months and almost a year had passed. The mass became bigger. So that's the time I decided to go for a checkup. But please guys, if you feel something different, or if you notice a mass, a lump, a cyst, even if still small, set an appointment quickly with your doctor and have a regular checkup as per the doctor's advice. Don't wait until it's too late. Going back to my case, after deciding to have a checkup, the doctor advised me to do an ultrasound first. Then I did also a mammogram. The ultrasound and mammogram result is an ill-defined mass which has a size already of 5 cm, and they have seen also a mass on my lymph nodes which is on my armpit. Since the mammogram result is categorized as PIRADS 4, which is an ill-defined mass or abnormal or suspicious mass, they suggested me to do a biopsy. So I did a biopsy from my breast only because I don't have enough money that time, and this is not covered by my insurance. So we decided only to do a biopsy on my left breast. They took a sample tissue from my left breast to study if the mass is benign or malignant. Then the biopsy result is invasive ductal carcinoma. The mass is a malignant. I went through a PET scan or a CT scan to check if the mass, if it's only localized, meaning if the mass is only here in my breast and in my lymph nodes. And yes, it turned out that it was not spread to any part of my body, and I'm thankful for that. Me and my husband decided also to have a second opinion. So we have submitted all my medical records to the other hospital, and I have submitted the sample tissue that they have got from my left breast, and they have restudied it. While waiting for the result, the doctor advised me also to do a biopsy in my lymph nodes and in my right breast, because they have seen also a cyst in my right breast, although this is small, but thank God because the cyst is benign. However, in my lymph nodes is also positive. So it was proven twice that I'm having a breast cancer. Of course, it's so hard to accept that I have a cancer. But I know everything happens for a reason. Through prayers, having faith, and trusting God's words, I have learned to accept it, to admit it, and move forward. As in the Bible from the book of Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plan to protect you and not to harm you, but plan to give you hope and future." So please guys, stand firm with your good faith. Be strong, be positive always, and don't stress yourself. Please help yourself so you will win this battle and any trials that may come. Fighting with cancer is tough, but through Christ, all things are possible. For now, guys, I'm gonna share you the treatment that I have gone through from chemotherapy, surgery, radiotherapy, and hormonal therapy. So please watch this video.
Scratch pa lang. ready again. Pangalawa, patapos na. Pangalawa lang tanggal. Tapos na. Bye-bye. Second surgery. Lymph nodes. Pupunta na siya doon. Surgery room. Okay. Number 229-667. Surgery in progress. Okay na. 229-667. Morning mga Pinoy Kamote. Aga tayong nagising ngayon. At tayo pupunta sa hospital. Sama kong muna misis ko doon dahil nga na may second operation siya sa breast cancer. Sa lymph nodes naman ngayon, natanggal na yung left na breast. Pero sa lymph nodes may nakitaan pa doon. So, inoperahan ulit. Ngayon, pangalawang araw na pupunta ako doon. Kasi kahapon siya inoperahan. So, pupunta tayo ngayon doon. At nasamahan natin siya kasi hindi siya masyadong makagalaw pa eh. So, ngayon, kung daw yung maaga tayo magising kasi alas 8 mag-open yung buwan eh. Ayaw nilang magpapasok sa ospital eh. So, hindi antay din tayo sa labas kaya nag-prepare muna ako ng lugaw para sa kanya, para makakain siya ng kasi kailangan niya medyo malambot muna eh. So hanggang mamaya ulit mga kamote. So mga Pinoy Kamote, nandiyan na tayo. Pakain ko na yung pasyente ng special lugaw. Yeah. Sa cubicle lang Pinoy Kamote. Ayan. Ito ang mukbang natin sa ospital. Mukbang.
Pakita na adobong parsley.
Adobong
Manok.
manok. Adobong manok.
Ice cream to mayor.
Nagpa-ice cream pa si Mayor. Ayan na. Ayan na. Mga Pinoy Kamote. Ayan.